Hi you guys! Do you know anyone who likes stuffed peppers? I started doing them like this many years ago, but this time I switched up the filling. So now taco stuffed peppers will be made again for sure. I decided to do them this way for many reasons. They're easier to eat. You get a pepper in every bite, and it's smaller portions, which is helpful with kids or when you have it with other sides. So let me tell you how I made them. This recipe only uses 1/2 pound of ground beef. You can use a full pound and double the other ingredients. 1/2 pound of ground beef filled 12 sides of bell peppers. I used a full 1 pound, but put half of the meat into some enchiladas. This amount of peppers was plenty, especially since I had it as a side. So I start by prepping 3 washed bell peppers. My red pepper had a mini green pepper inside. Try to pick ones that are more square shaped, so you get 4 sides per pepper. Slice the sides of the peppers and place on baking sheet or pan. This next part is optional, but we love the flavor of bell peppers, so I'm trimming the extra pieces of the remaining peppers. I do it with all 3 peppers, and I add those to the filling and dice all the trimming up. Once the peppers are prepared, start browning your ground beef. While it's browning, add 1/2 diced onion and diced pepper trimmings. Then I add in my seasoning. I do salt and pepper, garlic powder, chili and cumin, about 1/2 teaspoon each. Combine all of that while the meat is browning. Then prepare your 3 cloves minced garlic. And now I can share with you all my new favorite purchase. I can't believe I have went this long without having one of these. Are you like many people who purchase prepared diced garlic because of obvious reasons? Well, check out this and purchase your own with my link in the description. Do you see how it just peels off so easily? You can also do it this way as well, and you just have to put a little pressure. I know some garlic is way more difficult than others. This has worked well every time for me. Then you take the garlic press rocker, place it on top of a garlic clove, press down to crush into the garlic, and rock back and forth at the same time. It also comes with this tiny spatula scraper thing to easily remove the garlic. And it's not bad prices either. I was very satisfied with this purchase. Once you brown the hamburger, add the garlic and let that cook for just a couple minutes. So next I'm removing half this hamburger for my enchiladas. You can as well. It's great in tacos or for nachos, but I would not need this much filling for us. Only half of us eat stuffed peppers. For the pepper filling, take 1/2 cup of beef broth and 1/2 cup of salsa. I used green salsa. And add to the hamburger. You can use canned tomatoes as well. Let that simmer in the meat for 5 minutes. I added a little diced green onions, then add in 2 to 3 cups of prepared Mexican rice. I will have to share my rice recipe on another video. Just use whatever you like. Mix the rice in. I thought mine could use more, so I added a 1/3 cup, and there was still a little filling left. So now you can turn the heat off and begin filling your peppers. I used shredded Monterey Jack and mild cheddar cheese. I take the cheese and smash a layer at the bottom of the pepper. You really have to press it in, or it easily falls off, especially with more stuff on top. After you fill the bottoms with cheese, you will do a layer of the beef and rice filling. Then I top the filling with another layer of cheese. It does start to seem like it's pretty thick, so I use a spoon, press the meat into the cheese. Then I take more cheese into my hand and sort of press it together to lay it down against the filling more easily. In a 375 oven, bake these and covered for 20 to 25 minutes until the cheese is melted and the peppers are soft enough you can cut into them. I like that golden brown cheese, so sometimes I pop them into the broiler for a minute. These smell absolutely amazing, and they are fun and easy to make. I topped mine with sour cream and fresh chopped cilantro. And to make things fancy, I put the sour cream in a piping bag to make designs. Don't forget this time this was pretty much just a side. We had enchiladas as the main course. I also had rice and beans as side options as well. So here's a couple different plates. And don't forget to get your garlic press. It's such a big help. I will also be sharing my reviews on many other kitchen items. I do a lot of cooking and love a good helpful product and watching other people share their favorite products as well. I would love and appreciate if you shared any of your favorites in the comments. Thank you for watching. If this looks good to you, also check out my unstuffed pepper video. It seemed to do well, and I have been making that for a very long time. I will link that video in the description, or you can find it on my channel. And please subscribe to my channel, you guys. I have many other of my family's favorite recipes to share with you all.